Okay. You done? So you just tell us what have you observed so far since in the morning. Get it? We'll start with your name and your surname. Yeah. And you are like speaking on behalf of the observers. Huh?
Okay. I hope my speaking will be representative enough.
Okay, you can go ahead. No, I'll call it for you. I'll check here. All right. Yeah, you can go ahead.
All right, thank you. I am Yakuba Manjang, the Executive Director of Peace Ambassadors to Gambia and doubling as the coordinator of the Elections Watch Committee. And so far we've observed all the stations, all the 4 stations. The environment is very, very peaceful, and people are coming out in numbers to get their votes counted. This is very, very much welcomed by the observers. The environment is very peaceful, and they're following the IEC protocols of making sure that they vote and go back home to wait for IEC's announcement of results. And as an observer group right now, we haven't seen any critical incident so far that will warrant us to clearly or to say otherwise of the conduct or fairness of the polls. The IEC, as an agency responsible for the conduct of the elections, have all the materials in place, from the indelible ink to the marbles, and as well all the voters so far that have come in to cast their votes. They make sure that they check their voters card against the voter roll that is available, which is and the voters are by extension voting in secret, which is some of the procedures that we are looking out for. As an observer group, really, we currently, thus far, we satisfied with the process and procedure that is being observed on the ground.
So meaning you don't encounter any little problem, minor, major, whatever?
No, so far so good. There has not been any minor conflict or minor issue from administrative to those that are coming in to cast their votes. We've seen in the morning large voter turnout, but once they've cast their votes, they all went back to their various homes and now waiting for the closure of polls. We'll be able to comment conclusively on the whole peaceful nature of it at the closure of polls at 4 o'clock. But so far so good. Yes, the environment is very, very peaceful.
Your name and surname?
Yankuba Manjang, Election Committee.
Governor.
Yes, fine.
Very good.
Yeah, after the nara master word dan bemulumula ni kombo sama dalam governor di mingkara era janti ngara kami so na bemulumula sana for master meja as a governor kate fa nyaade
Alhamdulillah be menyini ka ngawo le wala peace bila bebe camry problem man trasotole so be mobe tentu la gajela, and we hope that it will remain like that everybody will come and go peacefully, cast your vote. It's a civic duty, and everybody has to exercise your civic right. So that's election. But what matters to us as a regional authority is to make sure that there is peace and the process is going smoothly. So it's part of our mandate to go around and make sure that we look at what is going on. But so far so good. I went to Kolior, went to Jomar, went to Torantabanta. Well, alhamdulillah.
That's
what
no problem.
we are really fine. This is LRR. This is where we call the land of hope. It's fine. There's no problem. Everything is possible here.
no problem.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pamga ini mbara bake ini mbara ngamul kan ko ko fanan sai na mete momi dong sai na tram plasida mete mo do tan dambe masse mi dan plus do min kada bakra jaja fay janne labi jaja fay janne isa mo is odde mo isa mo odde no do man ding jang sande mojile kate faja an kade kasi jalo bija
baraka bake ke fatu media sante safa ko kate fawni pour by election ma sembe kate fa bida kan nyama abida kan kayra kono abida kan tengun kono sante somanda mo jama ta yele kate fa ngamela sante milia fay ala haponi asiata bake sila ni ba jibe la jam ma sembe kate fa sansangoto momi mbi nyaata fo kate fay ken woro nim fe bari wo kono ngamela wotalante ngamela waliya fay la sila so safa ko sila kate fa bida kan nyama abida kan kayra kono annu fana abida kan tenku kono ba
mo bina kan kende ko
mo bina kan kende
sa min biye long ahmad sia bake
sila min biye sa kan wato batu talan lulu ni mo na rajin talan lulu isa katre fa de no ko la katre konto ni ma kala jam fam ma sembe
an ka biso na fe manke jam manke jam sonko manke
ma kan manke abida kan kayra kono abida kan tekku ko
abaraka bak ya abaraka bak amado woron ay fi jam lati betamo dum min kada govno el alal o nata non afaka akalo mo la ta jibe ko mon be keden kada ko santo comme la diamo min fo jam afani parlement nata jang mi yaran ko komboy saba wala ma noma kaaje ko kadon tan ko sabati elal jang to sa mete momin do mbala bula don ko nyaaro do mon ding de tan do mulla kan ko fana ngal oddir mi wekele jang anal badi ma lawen fati na camera ma min kada mustafati ngala baraba ka be sino la jang ay mono min kenya kono ba ala baraka ba